Crescent Nursery and Primary School, Tanjore presents Standard 1 Mathematics Term 1 Unit 3 Patterns. Patterns are repeated actions in a regular way or method. That is called patterns. We have patterns in sound, patterns in color, patterns in design, patterns in buildings, like that. We are going to see pattern in sound. Okay. Patterns, Unit 3, 3.1 patterns in sounds. Keywords, pattern, sound, color. Okay. Travel through. On my way to school. Madhi is going to school. On the way she hears many sounds. She is enjoying the patterns in it. Let us go along with her and enjoy it. மதி என்ன பண்றாங்க? பள்ளிக்கு செல்லும் வழியில் பல ஒலிகளை கேட்கிறாள். அந்த ஒலிகளில் உள்ள அமைப்புகளை கேட்டு மகிழ்கிறாள். வாருங்கள், நாமும் அவளுடன் சேர்ந்து பயணிப்போம். பயணித்து அந்த ஒலிகளை கேட்டு மகிழ்வோம். Keywords: pattern, sound, color. Okay, next slide. Okay, on the way he is hearing. What is that? Ding 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 ding. School bell is ringing, like that. And a dog is barking. Wow 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 wow. And he is clinging her bell. Cling 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 cling, like that. Okay. Cycle bell. And your goat. This goat is making sound meh meh meh. Auto is making sound bam 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 bam, like that. And this cow is making sound ma ma ma. Cat is making sound meow meow meow. And the bird is making the sound kee 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 kee. And the crow is making sound ka ka ka. These are all the pattern of sounds. Do you enjoy this? Yes. What teacher has to do here? Enact the situation in the classroom by producing the above sounds. Encourage the children to mimic some other sounds that they have heard in their real life situation. Example: sounds of birds, animals, vehicles. Okay. What is pattern? Pattern என்ன? ஒரு செயலை செய்யக்கூடிய செயல் ஒரே மாதிரியாக திருப்பியும் அதே மாதிரி அதே சீக்வன்ஸ் அதே மாற்றாமல் செய்வது பாட்டன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? இப்ப நான் எப்படி குறைக்கும்? ழன்னு தான் குறைக்கும் இல்லையா? அது மியூன்னு மாத்தாது. மியூ மியூன்னுட்டு பூனை கத்துற மாதிரி மாத்தாது. அல்லாடி ஆடு போல மே மேன்னு கத்தாது இல்லையா? ஆகவே ஒவ்வொரு பொருளுக்கும் அதற்குரிய வடிவமைப்புகள் என்ன? பேட்டர்ன் என்ன? அமைப்புகள் உண்டு. சரியா? இதுதான் இப்ப நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். இங்க டீச்சர் என்ன செய்யணும், கிளாஸ்ல உங்க மிஸ் என்ன செய்வாங்க, அதை பார்த்துக்கங்க. Next, I am happy. Learn. This is a small rhyme. We are going to sing this. Clap clap clap. I am happy at my home, so I clap clap clap. While clapping, this is a pattern. This is a clapping, isn't it? Now snap snap snap. I am happy at my school, so I snap snap snap. Snap means what? With your finger you are doing. Okay. Next one is stomp stomp stomp. I am happy at my class, so I stomp stomp stomp. Stomp means what? Just making a sound with your foot. This is okay. Stomp stomp stomp. Tap tap tap. I am happy everywhere, so I tap tap tap. Tap means what? Tapping the door. This is tapping, isn't it? So this is a pattern. Every sound is having a regular sound pattern. Okay. Next one is teacher's note. Sing the song by making the sounds. Further, in the next rounds, while singing, the teacher should make the sounds instead of using the words clap, snap, stomp, or tap. This will add flavor to the sound pattern. This is what teachers practice. Let us clap. Teacher initiates the activity by clapping in different pattern. One clap, one clap, one clap. If say one, teacher, you have to clap one time. If say two, you have to clap two times. If say one means 1 1 3 1 1 3. Okay, then 1 1 3 claps like this. This is the pattern you have to make. So everybody should do like this at a time. Then the sound will be having a very good pattern. Okay. Next slide we will go and see. Try this. Mew means what? Cat, and bow bow means what? It's a dog. Or friends. They are meeting after a long time. Think how their conversation would be. How their conversation, the cat will say mew mew, the dog will say bow bow. Okay, this is what, how. Now activity, act and enjoy. Aim, creating patterns in sounds. Creating patterns in sounds. Things needed, pencil, steel spoon, plastic scale, wooden duster, steel tumbler. Okay, these are the things you have to have in your hand. Procedure, by gently tapping these, make different sound patterns and enjoy. How pencil will have a sound, you try and tell us. Okay, next one, if you tap the spoon, what sound it will give? Metallic sound, isn't it? The plastic scale will give some plastic scale sound, isn't it? The wooden duster somewhat hard, and steel tumbler some cling sound. Okay, try this. How? Number of taps with the pencil 1. Next one is your spoon 1. Next one is your scale 1. Next one is duster 1, and last one is tumbler 1. All one tap. Now next time you try 2 taps with all materials. Next step is 1 2 1 2 1 2. So 1 with pencil, 2 with spoon, 1 with scale, 2 with duster, 1 with your tumbler. Oh, sound patterns are everywhere. Where do you hear such patterns in sound? Share it in music. So in music, okay, in orchestra and all, you hear these patterns of sound. That's why we are getting a very beautiful music, isn't it? Yes. Next we'll see pattern in colors. Travel through colorful garden. You see here what happened. If you see what happened here, you are seeing colorful garden. This one is your rainbow, and these are all trees, and this one is a flying wheel, and this is your slide, and this is the entrance and everything. Flowers also having flowers, everything is there. You see the pattern here. How? First you are entering into a garden. The fence is there. See, the first balloon is there. White, red, white, red, white, red, white, red, white, red, like that. Here what happened? Yellow, red, blue, then green, red, blue, green, red, green, blue, green, red, green, blue, green, red, green, blue, green, something like that. The pattern is maintained. You see here the flowers. All flowers are having the same type of pattern, isn't it? Same pattern. Okay, next one you can have what? Next one you can have, look at these trees and plants. Okay, look at these trees and plants. Now what happened? How are they arranged? Plants are arranged in a row, isn't it? Look at the colors of the slide. See here. The step is red and this one is blue, red, blue like this. Here something is different. Red, yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, like that the steps have been made. Okay, next one, your this rainbow is violet, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, like that it is arranged. Okay, do you see any other colorful patterns in the garden? Share it in the class with your friends. ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறோம், எல்லாம் ஒரே மாதிரியான ஒரு பேட்டர்னில் தான் அரேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்குது. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்களா, முதல்லேருந்து நான் சொல்லிட்டேன் உங்களுக்கு. இந்த வளைவு, அப்புறம் இந்த ஸ்லைடில் இருக்கிற படிகள் மற்றும் என்ன வானவில்லின் தோட்டம், இந்த பட்டங்கள் கூட இருக்கு பாருங்க. சேம் டைப் patterns are same type. Okay, now let us go to the next slide. Already it has been done. What you have to do, number of tabs, it is in an yellow. What do you are seeing in a expanded form. Okay, let us go to the next one. Is learn, observe and identify the pattern. Learn, observe and identify the pattern. See here, apple, what is the pattern? Okay, it is not just like a round. This is having some elongated, a leaf is there, what do you call, and petiole is there. Okay, like that, the same way. And here what happened, smiley, your friendly smiley, yellow smiley, blue smiley, yellow smiley, blue smiley, yellow smiley, blue smiley, yellow smiley, blue smiley. This is a pattern. Okay, this is a pattern. All red apples with the stalk is leaning towards left and a small leaf towards right, like that same way it is there. Okay, this is pattern. Next one is next information. You see here, you have to color and complete the pattern. See, green tree, brown trunk, green tree, brown trunk, green tree, brown trunk, green tree, brown trunk. What should be here? Here what? Green tree, brown trunk, green tree, brown trunk, green tree, brown trunk. Same pattern. So there is no difference. Okay, now you see here. Yes, green tree, brown trunk, green tree, brown trunk, green tree, brown trunk. Now you see the brinjal. It is purple, it is green, but it is, you have to fill the color. Purple green. Here also purple green. Here also purple green. What should be here? Yes, you are right. Come on. Purple and green. That's all. Okay, this is the pattern you have to follow. இந்த மாதிரி தான் நீங்க இதனுடைய அமைப்பை என்ன பண்ணணும், உருவாக்க முயற்சிக்க வேண்டும். Let's go to this one. Now, pleasure time. Observe the pattern and choose the correct one by ticking it. You see here, 3 blue balloons. Again, 3 blue balloons. What should come here? A. Whether it is 3 blue balloons or red balloons. Which balloon should come here? Come on. Yes, you are right. 3 blue balloons should come here because 3 blue, another 3 blue, and another also should be 3 blue. Now look at here. This kite is different from this one. Okay, this is green, this is blue, green, blue, green, blue. What should be next? Come on, tell me whether it is green, green or blue, blue or green, blue or green, blue. Which one is correct? This pattern is correct. Isn't right? Isn't it? Yes. See here, this is correct. Let us see next slide. Now we are going to do some activity. Make a colorful pattern on your own. Okay, you are going to make a pattern, colorful pattern. Okay, first, you might have done it, but you can verify with your answer here. See here, first red. Okay, green. Okay, do you like this pattern? Very good. Now you see these flags. that is garland. This one is flag. Yes, red, blue, green, red, blue, green. This is one pattern. And another one is one color, some blue color and red, blue, red, blue, red. This is one pattern. Okay, you can do as you like. Okay, you can do as you like. Next one is, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell button too. The links to view our earlier videos on Standard 1 Mathematics Term 1 is Part 1, Unit 1 Part 1 is Unit 1 Part 1A, Unit 1 Part 1A and Unit 2 Part 1, Unit 2 Part 1, 2 Part 2 is this is the link. This is from Crescent Nursery Primary School, Tanjavur.